Alright, so here we have some new SmartComforts. We have 3 new SmartComforts right here. Let's get back here. Here's 3 new SmartComforts. These are my first ever SmartComforts. Right here's a SmartComfort. Has a Copeland Emerson scroll. There's a Broad Ocean fan motor. Wait, what is that from? That's from 2021. It's 2 years. Must have been in the factory for a couple years. It has not been running, unfortunately. Here's this other one. Right here. And this one. This one also has a Copeland scroll. Broad Ocean fan motor. Let's see the data. 2021 as well. Oh, and by the way, these are 2 tons. This one's a 2 ton. Where's the logo on this one? It doesn't even have a logo, but I'm pretty sure it's a SmartComfort as well because it looks identical to that. So yeah, I'm gonna say it's SmartComfort. There it is, compressor right there, and Broad Ocean. The data's right here. Oh, jeez. It's 2021, 2 ton. Not been running. All right. Well, there's 3 new 2021 SmartComfort units right here. So yeah, thank you for watching. Over and out.